Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. So today I am out here at Caffeine and Octane, which is located in Kennesaw, Georgia at Town Center Mall. Okay, so for all of my car enthusiasts, if you love cars, this is the place for you. All right, and so today I brought my 1972 C10 pickup truck out here, and I'm gonna show you this truck and show you what it looks like, and also I'm gonna take you around and show you some of the amazing cars that are out here. This is one of the best places you could come to on a Sunday. So every first Sunday right here at Town Center Mall here in Kennesaw, GA, you can come showcase your car, even if it's a project car, bring it out. It's just good camaraderie, and also gives you opportunity to check out everything that's around. So y'all make sure y'all stay tapped in and stay tuned. All right, you guys. So this is a 1972 C10 pickup truck. The wheels right here are 4G Auto, 7-inch lip. I still have a lot of work to do to this truck, but I just got it painted, and I like the way it came out. I still got to take it back to the paint shop, but you know, I'm still gonna showcase it. And I'm gonna show you guys why I gotta take it back to the paint shop, because when they were doing the wet sand and buff, notice right here, but we're gonna get that taken care of. Just a lot of little knick-knack stuff that I want to do, and I also just ordered a suspension kit for it. So I'm doing a coilover suspension kit in the front, and we're gonna lower it in the back. I just want the wheels to I just want the truck to kind of sit on the wheels. See, I got a little gap right there. But this is the beauty of cars, and one thing I can tell everybody, you know, don't get so wrapped up in trying to make it perfect, because it'll never be perfect, but you know, just get it to your liking. It's always gonna be work to do. And let's look on the inside. I want to do some things on the inside, but you know, it looks good like it is, but I just want to get it, you know, like I said, to my liking. All right, and again, this is a 1972 C10 pickup truck. It currently has under the hood, it has a 350 motor, which I got to do some work to it too. So this still a project in works. All right.
Year. I got my 79 without a front fenders and hood. Transport is for grandma. I lost it first.
super exclusive.
Yep, yep.
I almost got a pair of green slippers and then yeah, I like red. I got a pair. I don't know. It's Bentley.
That's the All right, you guys, so that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I hope you enjoyed some of the cars that I showed you. As you can see, there are foreign cars, old school cars, all type of cars out here, man, and you gotta love it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Let me know what your favorite whip, what your favorite vehicle that I just showed you guys out here is. Drop it in the comments. Let me know. I'll holler at you guys. Peace out.